right, I'm going to share a quick room tour of our room at the Rancho Las Palmas Resort. We're just outside of Palm Springs. We are here in February. Look at this weather, you guys. We are here Super Bowl Sunday weekend. It's actually Saturday today, and it is a ghost town. We've seen, I don't know, maybe 30 other people like that don't work here. here. It's absolutely stunning and beautiful. I'm just going to show you our room. So this is room 1024 if you are interested. And I'm just going to show you a quick room tour. We booked this hotel through like a third-party vendor, and honestly it was like the least expensive option. So I think that they gave us a room upgrade, maybe because it is a slow weekend, maybe because my husband noted that it was our anniversary. Either way, we got a really, really nice view, and I wanted to share that. And yeah, I'm just gonna start back at the front, but I just wanted to show a quick peek of the room. So when you first walk in, there is the bathroom, which is really, really nice. Obviously very clean, but lots of space. There's a vanity here and another mirror here. So two people can be like doing mirror stuff, like, you know, working on that. And then there's a sink here. Like a lot of times we feel even just the two of us a bit crowded in the bathroom. It's very, very well lit, which I really appreciate. I have noticed that even in really nice hotels, a lot of times the bathrooms are really poorly lit, and I don't like that. Lots and lots of towels. There's only two of us here. And I've also noticed a lot of times hotels can be really stingy with towels, and that is not the case here. Really, really nice towels, really nice toiletry items. And what I like is, I like these personal care items. What I really like is that they don't have the little bottles. I know that a lot of resorts are getting away from using those tiny little bottles that just create so much unnecessary trash. So these are really good quality body wash and shampoo and all of that. They do have in here, I appreciate this, Q-tips and cotton balls. I don't need all of the little toiletry things, but those are a really nice thing for hotels to have, and I appreciate that. And yeah, it's just really, really nice bathroom. Really nice little mirror here. I'm just trying to share everything. I know that I always like to look for a video tour by just a random person, especially not sponsored, when we are looking to book something, because we have booked things before and been a little underwhelmed when we walked in based on the professional photos, or especially based on like the influencers take on it. Now, my husband and I have, over the years, especially when our kids were younger, we did a lot of sponsored content for hotels. We still do every once in a while, but today is not. This was completely on our dime, and I'm just putting it on YouTube along with our other content. So do with that what you will. So huge closet, and I'm not going to show you all the stuff, but there is a safe if you use a safe. We don't have anything of any real value, so we're probably not going to use that safe. There is a fridge down here, so if you are looking for a fridge, we like that they included waters. We took our water bottles yesterday, and they just replaced them, which is wonderful. They replaced the cups, nice clean cups. That is our wine. They did not give us wine. And then there's a Keurig. We personally do not have a Keurig at home, but I do like the convenience of a Keurig when we are on vacation. And we each had a cup of coffee this morning, and they were kind enough to refill that. So that's really cool. Again, we don't have a Keurig at home, but my son has a Keurig at college. So you can bet that what we don't use, we're gonna bring home in our suitcase, and you can judge that if you want. It's built into the price of the room. There's also robes. You can see there's one right there. There's robes in the room, which is really cool. Huge TV. And it's just a nice room. The couch is very comfortable, And oh, and I wanted to say, darn it, I should have taken pictures. Yesterday when we came in kind of late, but when we came in, there was a little card. So for our anniversary, there it is. And there was a plate with chocolate covered strawberries. So where there's like a special note in a hotel, always let them know, like if it is a special occasion, like if it is a birthday or if it is your anniversary or something, sometimes they will leave a little special treat. Like they left us 4 chocolate covered strawberries, which was really cool. And again, I think this room was an upgrade because not every room has the beautiful view that I'm about to show you. So I'm going to show you this view. My husband's out here. Here's Harry's cameo. Hi. And then this is our view, which again, I don't believe, I mean, I know that not every hotel here has this view. So I do believe they might have seen that it was our anniversary and chosen to upgrade us for that. And also because it was a slower weekend. I want to point this out though, you guys. We came in late last night, like really late. And the only light was this, like, you can see these lights like right here. Like those were the lights. And then lights back at the restaurants and stuff. So there was not a lot of light, but we could see this little figure. And then you can see there's geese and swans and ducks. And we watched him for an embarrassing amount of time, at least 5 minutes, thinking that he was a real coyote. And my husband threw rocks at it. Like he was, and we were like, wow, he's like really locked in and he's gonna kill a goose. And actually that's when we learned that you can buy a decoy coyote and then real coyotes won't come by. Stupid. So like maybe that fake coyote keeps like bobcats and coyotes away, but we just thought he was like really, really, we thought he was really hungry and we thought he was really locked in, and we watched him for, like I said, at least 5 minutes. So anyways, this is a beautiful resort, and I cannot recommend coming here in February enough. There is nobody here. The weather is amazing, especially if you are coming from, like we're coming from California, like another area in Southern California. So the weather is stunning, but the weather is stunning where we came from. But like if you're coming from, I don't know, anywhere else in the country, you're not going to be mad about coming here in February. So that's it. The Omni Rancho Las Palmas. Ta-da!